So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find background intelligent transfer service. You're going to double click on it. Make sure that the startup type is on automatic delayed start, and then click on stop, which will then make the service status stopped, and then click on OK. And now you're going to click on any service one time again, and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you're going to scroll down until you find Windows Update. You're going to double click on it. Make the startup type automatic, and make sure that the service status is on stopped. So you're going to click on stop, which will make it stopped, and then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. And then you're going to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Now once you find that, you're going to double click on it. And then click on Windows. And now you're going to scroll down until you find the software distribution folder. You're going to scroll down until you find software distribution. Double click on this. And then click on download. You want to delete everything in this folder. So you're going to do Control A on your keyboard, which will highlight everything. And then click on delete. If you get this, click on delete full current items. And then click on continue. Delete everything in this folder. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Now once the scan's running, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD again. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in DISM.exe /online /cleanup -image /Restorehealth, and click on enter. So now you want to run both of these scans. There's going to be 2 scans running right now. And then once you complete both of them, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.